I'm Master Sergeant Christopher Cook. I'm the Air Transportation Function Operation NCOIC, and that's in the 151st Logistics Readiness Squadron. So the biggest piece for my part in this exercise today is being part of the air transportation function. Our job is to put big stuff on big planes, really, to sum it up in a nutshell. What we got, the concept is that we were going to receive 2 MRZRs, which are Polaris RZRs, off-road vehicles, ATVs, from the 19th Special Forces Group. We were going to put them onto one of our aircraft, the KC-135, which is not a typical upload for that type of aircraft. What it does is it proves our ability to rapidly deploy state assets with our partners right down the road with the Utah Army National Guard. So my job specifically is ensuring that the load of that equipment goes onto the aircraft, that we ensure safety of flight, that we ensure that all the regulations are obviously met while keeping that mindset open to new and improved ways of execute our mission. There's actually a few things with these MRZRs going on this jet that is just not a common thing. KC-135s, not that they're not built to receive rolling stock, because they are, but these right off the bat, the MRZRs have their weight and their dimensions, specifically the dimensions, are not necessarily ideal to be putting on a side door load aircraft like the KC-135. So then it was coming up with ways of how do we make it happen? How do we make sure that this can be executed appropriately while ensuring that we're not, that we're not risking people, that we're not risking aircraft. Biggest thing for right now is just, we're testing our capabilities and showcasing our capabilities of the ACE construct, that Agile Combat Employment construct, an initiative that the Air Force has been talking about. In addition to that, we're actually looking at the multi-capable airman mindset as well, and how we can cross-train not only with ourselves in the Air Force, but also with our joint partners with the Army National Guard specifically. Those are really the 2 biggest pieces of the puzzle that are being executed right now, that ACE mindset and that multi-capable airman mindset as well. We ultimately came to the conclusion that this fell well within our aircraft's capabilities, and then it was really up to us to determine how and what was the best way to get this type of equipment onto our jets. Ultimately, it proves that we can rapidly deploy this stuff. The KC-135 is an extremely fast aircraft. It's going to get us from point A to point B in a very short period of time, which is really what we want in the future fight, right? We don't know what the future fight looks like. We know that there's going to be something that is going to require us to be extremely agile in what we do. And what we proved here today was exactly that.